video presentation for our case study one. We as a group has discussed and chose computer science as our main topic for today. So everything you hear or see today is all about computer science. So let me start off with the introduction. Bachelor of Computer Science. It is a 3 year course. The course will be held in the Faculty of Information Technology. The third year, there will be a specialization which we will be taking software engineering. Software engineering is a programming skill that design and develop program by using programming language such as C++, Python, or Java. We shall learn so that we can program the need of a user. We also will be taking this main subject, problem solving skills, computer systems, mathematics for IT and information database. And also we will be receiving training to increase the experience of teaching and learning. We will be continuing to learn more and do more research in learning new things in our career journey.
So let's shift our focus to our major selection, which is computer science. One of the reasons we chose computer science is that computer science has improved hiring prospects. Computer science students do well in terms of getting full-time employment upon graduation. In 2015, a national survey found that computer science major is 35% more likely to have full-time job 1 year after graduation than graduates overall, and 22% more likely than science graduates overall. They also had the highest starting salaries of all majors. Besides that, having a computing background will provide you with a foundation of knowledge, programming skills, logical thinking that will serve as an advantage for you in your career in whatever field you choose. Furthermore, computing drives innovation in the sciences, such as major advances in the study of human genome, tracking important AIDS vaccine research, and monitoring and protecting the environment. Just to mention a few, if you want to make a positive difference in the world, study computing. So right now the question rises, why and what do I want to study from computer science? The thing I want to learn first is computer programming. A significant portion of your computer science studies will involve programming. So I want to start by learning high-level basic languages such as Java and C++. I also want to learn more complex coding methods including Prolog, Scheme, and machine code, also known as assembly language programming. I always wondered how a computer performs basic operation inside. I know this course gives me an answer to this question. Besides that, I want to learn how I can apply mathematics in computing, mathematics which we are learning from standard 1 until right now. So let's shift our focus to course structure. In the first year of your degree, with all the basic principles at your command, you will get an opportunity to study a range of more advanced topics. Most of the topics are taught by active researchers, so the selection can vary from year to year. Taking the course structure from MMU as a reference, topics include calculus, programming fundamentals, district structures, and probability and professional development. After that, we are going to learn about computational methods, object-oriented programming and data structures, computer architecture, and engineering organization and database fundamentals. That is followed by research methodology in computer science. Then we are going to do software engineering fundamentals and operating systems. Nearing the end of our course, we will be doing our final year project. That choices of subjects are very busy. Right now, I'm going to explain about the elective subjects to be taken in this course. There are numerous elective subjects to be taken such as System Analysis and Design, Social Media Computing, Introduction to Data Science, Visual Information, Processing Data Management, Data Mining, Game Design Fundamentals, Game Physics, Software Evolution and Maintenance, and Introduction to Formal Methods, Computer Security, Web Application Development, Parallel Processing, Artificial Intelligence, Theory of Computation, Programming Language Translation, and Concept of Programming Language. And this is just choices in MMU, so you can just think how many other other choices are out there in this world.
So this is our possible career path. These are our careers chosen by us based on this course. First, about software engineering, junior engineer, senior engineer, then technical lead manager, consultant, or more senior, pure individual contributors, plus incremental steps between and within levels. Each step expands your scope and adds autonomy. As a junior engineer, you work with close supervision on small, well-defined problems, chosen by other people following the procedures where they specify. As a senior engineer, you are self-sufficient working on somewhat larger problems with what you do and general process still dictated by other people. As a leader, you may grow in scale until you are responsible for how and what an entire company does. With more interest and aptitude in engineering than people management, you'll enjoy your job more and get paid better as a technical leader. The position can still involve hands-on software development, although other responsibilities occupy more of your time with increasing level. The career path chosen by Ganesan is web developer. Web developers usually will go through a set task such as becoming a webmaster or designing a web page, etc. Depending on the position, one has to go through either one of these jobs: programming the structure of sites using HTML and JavaScript, choosing visual components and layout, fixing errors, adding applicants and video, observing website traffic, and setting up site access for modification processes. The career path chosen by Fabian, me, is cyber security manager. Software engineers become experts in security systems. They will be facing work such as entrusting software with passwords, financial transactions, and personal correspondences. Security managers may write security programs or act in an expert role, selecting programs and educating the development team about best practices. A typical duty is writing code that checks for inputs and rejects code that doesn't follow the typical and accepted format. So next we would go to our certificates or postgraduate study.
The postgraduate we would like to pursue in computer science by research is software engineering and architecture multimedia systems. This program provides opportunities for the degree holders in related fields to broaden their fundamental knowledge and skills through advanced courses and research in software engineering. So our backup plan is information technology management and information system. If we can achieve our goals of becoming a software engineer, okay, so information technology management is a course with strong foundation in information systems, applications development, as well as its related management organizational issues, whereas information system emphasizes on the design and development of computer-based systems to enhance the efficiency of business organizations. To summarize, we have chosen software engineering as our choice as it has the most advantages compared to the rest. And if that fails, we have our backup plans, which are information technology management and information systems. Even though this tool has less advantages than software engineering, it's still a reasonable choice for further knowledge into this broad array of studies under one roof known as computer science. Thank you.